Belle is... I don't know where Belle is, actually. Long time no live. I know, that's why I went live. I haven't been live in forever. Guys, you know, ang dami ko nang na-build na... Pero hindi ko na napopost eh. How was your Valentine's Day? I spent it with my family. And my dogs. Wait, nasisilaw na ako sa TV ko. Nakasama kita mag-judge sa De La Paz. De La Paz, De La Paz. Alin nga yun? Where's your next trip? I'm gonna go to Balisin on... Anong month na ba ngayon? Feb 26 to 28. Kaya kailangan na magpapayat. Guys, bored ako! Ask questions. Hirap naman eh. Kausap ko na naman sarili ko eh. Sobrang arte mo. Daming nagsasabi sa akin yan. Pero, legit ba? Kasi sa akin, para sa akin, di ako maarte. Minsan, parang pabebe. Pero hindi ko naman sinasadya maging pabebe. I'm okay. What did you do during Valentine's? I spent it with my family, and then... Kasi guys, ang daming lumabas nung Valentine's eh. Tapos it's a Friday pa, tapos paid, baka payday pa. So like, ang hassle to go out on Valentine's mismo. So, hindi ako nakipag-date on Valentine's mismo. What's my height? I think I stand 5'4" or 5'5". 5'4" or 5'5", something like that. Sending hate. Wow, really? Anton, you hate me? Baka baliktad. Is it okay sa guy 5'9" lang? For me, okay lang basta mas matangkad sa akin. Yung tipo na even if I wear heels, mas matangkad pa rin sa akin. Your lashes suit your eye shape. Really? How can you even, how do you even know which suits you or not? Kasi ako, I just always say kung anong bagay sa akin. But I don't know myself kung anong bagay sa akin. I always need somebody's advice. Can you do clean bun hairstyle? Wala akong tali right now. Natamad ako kumuha. Kailan TFBBAM? I don't know din. Actually, hindi ko rin alam. Moreno or mestizo? Both. Any, actually. What's your course? I graduated na, but I took BS in Life Sciences when I was in college. Which was like a year ago. Shout out kay Lance Chubi. Lance Chubi? Tapos na kayo mag-shoot? Yes, last year pa. you mentioned you use Dyson for hair. I do. I use yung round na, yung hinihigop lang, like automatic, nagra-wrap siya around. I'm not sure what you call that attachment, but yeah, that one. It's been a while. I know. Shout out Luke Bautista. What do you do now? You have a job? I've actually been chilling. I took a gap year kasi, but I started applying na for med school. So now I'm just waiting for results. Bigger or smaller curler? The bigger one. Kasi I have really thick hair. So, yeah. And then for me, what I do, I don't curl it like all the way to my roots. I usually curl, like for example, this is the, curler. Parang, up till here lang. Kasi diba pwede ka until the roots, but me until mga dyan lang. So, really just the ends of my hair. Danny, I miss you. Ano maganda gamitin sa hair na nagpo-fly away? Yung mga ganon, ano bang tawag doon? Yung... Nalimutan ko anong tawag doon eh. Pero yung parang gel na ganon. Yung mga ginagamit ng FA. Yun. Ay, isang kate, parang may kumagat sa akin. Kim Wonju? Sino yun? Raho! Anong your? Anong your? Love hangover or mantra? Love hangover. Are you building the big Lego? No. Oh my god, guys, you have to see my collection. You have to see my collection. Okay, so the pinaka-latest one that I built. Wait, kasi baka last time kasi na nagpakita ako ng mga binild ko, parang sinuspend ako ng TikTok. Parang they didn't let me have viewers for like hours or 30 minutes or something. Di ko alam kasi parang bawal ata mag-promote dito sa TikTok. So, wait. Pero try ko. Pero hindi ko sasabihin kung ano. Gulo. Wait lang. Okay. Ito yung pinaka-last na ginawa ko. Ang ganda, guys. Look at the details. Grabe, ha. Isa-isa ko kinabit yan. Grabe talaga. Tapos, before that, ito naman yung binild ko. Starry Night. Starry Night. It comes pa here and you can move this. Ang cute, diba? Parang siyang nagpipaint. Ayan yung painting. Ayan yung painting. Natatakot na ako igalaw eh. Pero, meron pa yan sa likod. And then, meron din ako nitong radyo. And then, I also have Notre Dame. This is so pretty also. Then, what else? Oh, Lego flowers. Pero, nandito talaga siya sa vase na yan. Kaso, I got flowers kasi. So, hindi ko muna, This one is my brother's. It's the Pharrell Williams something eme. I don't know. Pero ang cute din. Then, this one is one of my favorites. It's the globe. And you can actually twist it. And then, so cute. And then, ang pinaka-excited na ako i-build is ito. Pero kasi, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ko siya i-build kasi napakalaki niya. And Wait. I keep the boxes kasi. In case na I need to... Wait lang. Guys, look at this. I'm so excited. Sige. Di ko pa alam kung kailan ko to i-build kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay pero 10,000 pieces yun. Baka isipin nyo, binibenta ko. Siyempre, hindi. Balik tayo dito sa magandang lighting. Diba? Wait, magsa-scroll back ako kasi hindi ko nakita yung comments eh. Are you going to Med this year? Hopefully. What's lash clusters? These are lash extensions. Medyo, ano-ano na nga siya. Kalbo. May kulang... May, ano? Kulangot? Meron akong kulangot? Wala naman eh. Technique? Meron yung pinsan ko, binild ko para sa kanya. Yung nako-control sa app. Yeah, pero yung cars na meron ako, ito lang. Itong dalawa lang. Tapos, waiting ako na i-release yung Ferrari na nag-alikabok na siya, oh. Yeah, iniintay ko kasi merong mag-release ng this 2025 March na Ferrari na malaki. So, I'm waiting for that one. Hello. 26 years old. Mukha ba akong 26? Guys, how old do you think I am? 26? Grabe. How old? 38? 23? 24? 30? Lo, mukha ba akong matanda? Nakita ko na yung tamang sagot. Ang nice ng TikTok nyo na sublatan. Naka all black kayo dun. Basta yung, yeah. Thank you. 60! I'm 22! Yeah, 22. Tama siya. Si Vel, hindi ko rin alam actually. OA sa 100. Grabe, ang hirap. Ang kapal ng hair ko. Wala nga akong kulangot. Di ko alam saan mo nakita yun. Siyempre, bago ako nag-live, tinignan ko muna yung itsura ko. Nanood ka pong Jisoo. Pinag-iisipan ko pa. Gusto ko sana, pero kasi pupunta naman ata sila dito eh. Kasi diba they have world tour again, 2025. So, thank you for the ice cream. How much bili ko sa Eiffel Tower? Bun? Nanood ka Bini tuloy. Biniverse. Hindi. Dapat, pero hindi eh. Kasi tinamad ako. Yan layo. Antok na mata mo. Ganito lang talaga mata ko. Anong tawag doon? Yung may tawag sa mata ko eh. Yung parang tamad yung mata. Ano yun? Mapungay? Mapungay ba yun? Hindi. Banlag? Ay, hindi banlag. Hindi sabog. Bangag? Lazy eyes? 40K. Ba't papilit ka ng pilit na mag-ban ako? Ayoko, wala nga akong tali. Paano ako magtatali? Nagalit. Naka-live ba ako nung huli kong... Ay, naka-live ba ako? Naka-ban ba ako nung huli kong live? Hindi ko tanda. Kailan ba ako last nag-live? I just want the tutorial. Ganyan ka naman sa fans mo eh. O sige, magbaban ako. Anong ban ba? Kaya ako nakatali noon kasi nagbe-build ako. Oh, wag daw makinig sa'yo eh. Sorry. Sana makapag-live kayo ng cast. Soon, pag nagkita siguro kami. Hindi ko pa ulit sila nakikita eh. Gaano kayo close ni Mika? Kami yung low maintenance friends. Pero, hindi kami yung super close. Pero, paano ko ba ma-describe friendship namin? Close kami in a way na may alam namin. Hindi, paano ba? Basta matagal na kasi kami magkakilala. Before pa siya magbini, magkakilala na kami. Kasi pareho kaming taga-South. So, dun ko siya nakilala. Tapos, ayun. What is my soap? Kung anong meron. Usually Dove. Na liquid. Sometimes Cetaphil. Pag sobrang lala yung allergies ko, Cetaphil. Bakit nakalagay Harry Roque joined? Hoy, Harry Roque, anong ginagawa mo dyan? Joy? Soap? Di ba pang ano yun? Isn't that for dishes? I'm the type, I'm the vibe, fantasize, stay the night, every night, I can keep... Where do you buy your ano po? Here in the Philippines and in Japan. Pero guys, I advise you, if you're in Japan, doon na kayo bumili. Doon na kayo bumili ng Lego kasi sobrang mura and sulit bumili ng Lego doon. Nung pumunta ako ng Japan, nung latest na punta ko ng Japan, wala akong binili kundi Lego lang talaga. So yung maleta ko, punong-puno ng Lego. Ay, shit! Sinabi ko yung pangalan nung ano. Are you excited sa The Four Bad Boys and Me? Excited naman, syempre, of course. Pero hindi ko rin kasi alam talaga kung kailan siya i-release eh. Sa town po or online? Town, you mean like Alabang Town Center? Yeah, doon. Marami rin doon. Yeah, I have quite a I wouldn't say collection yet, but I have quite a few pieces. Eyelash or cluster? I don't know what the difference is between the two. What's a cluster? Cheapest na nabili mo? Honestly, hindi ko alam. Guys, so tingnan mo, ang kulit ni Shot Fun Noob 8382. There's a spider behind you? What do you mean? Where? Parang wala naman eh. Kaya nga, maghanap ka sa YouTube. Isabel, I don't know. What app do you edit your vlogs or videos? InShot. Patingin. Natatamad na ako tumayo. Kita kaya here? Ayan, oh, kita mo yan? Meron akong Disney Castle, meron akong Globe, meron akong Milky Way, Starry Night, Notre Dame, Great Wave, Telephone Booth. Okay na? Ay, naku, sobrang zoom. Mag-med school ka na. Depende. Do you wake up on the same of the bed? What? Fave gift a fan gave you. Oh, I have like this. It's not in my room right now, but one of my supporters gave me like this carpet na ang tawag doon? Basta yun. How's Valentine's? Masaya. Are you still with... Ano yan? Anong emoji yan? Wait. Wala kasi akong tali na mahanap eh. Wait. Kung makahanap ako ng tali sa bag ko, sige. Mag-bond tayo. Pero kung wala... Ayun, nakahanap akong tali. Pero, maluwag na ito eh. Okay, pero zoom sa mukha ko. Bahala kayo dyan. Are you related to Ronnie Alonte? Yes, he's my second cousin. Okay, masaya ka na? hindi siya maganda tignan ngayon. Hindi ko alam bakit. Siguro kasi yung hair ko. Pero, I can do better than that. Do better. Sige, ulitin natin. Nakatamad ako eh. Nakakangalay kasi. If you're ever invited to join PBB, would you go? I was na. And I said no. Because ayokong ma-expose ang buhay ko. Parang hindi ko siya ma-achieve today. Bakit ganun? It's not meant to be kasi, guys. Masyado namang, mataba ngayon yung continue vlogging. Kasi, wala na akong storage eh. Ang laki ng bun sa likod, parang siopaw. I know, right? Pero hindi siya bun eh. Inano ko siya eh. Ganyan, guys. Gusto niyo? Ay, pangit. Wait. Yan na lang. What style do you call your lashes? Cat eye? Malulubat na ako. Nakatagilid. Ayusin. Ang pangit kasi. Okay lang yan. Parang cartoon character. Makapal kasi yung hair ko. Okay lang ako. Favorite Disney movies growing up? I have a lot of favorite Disney movies. Of course, the Disney princesses movies. And then I also like Pixar movies. I love Up. Up made me cry so much. I also like, Toy Story. And what else? Encanto. I loved Encanto. Oh, but my pinaka-favorite, before, when I was a kid, I loved The Little Mermaid. But, now, parang mas na-appreciate ko yung Tangled. For some reason. Nirewatch ko kasi siya recently. And then, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Till what time am I gonna go live? Before 11, I'm gonna end this na. Any skincare? Sunscreen every day. That's it. Okay na yun. Ghibli movies? Oh my god, I'm not good with the titles ng Ghibli movies because I haven't really watched a lot. Are you wearing veneers? No. But I had braces when I was in high school. Sinong artista pinakasikat na you've met? Thank you. Pinakasikat na artista na I've met? Dito sa Philippines? Or sa ibang bansa? Are still planning to pursue med school? Yes. What's a lash map? What's a lash map? My phone case right now is from Casetify. I don't know eh. I don't ask the lash person. Peko, thank you. Andito ka pala. What's MOBA? Mobile Legends? MOBA? Mobile Legends? Hindi nga. Mobile Legends nga ba yun? Bakit MOBA? Di ba ML? Yeah, naglalaro ako before. Especially nung pandemic. Pero, mas matagal akong naglaro ng Call of Duty. Kaso dinilit ko na yung code kasi ang laki ng ano niya, what do you call this? Storage. It takes up too much storage, so I deleted it. Para I'll have more storage. Anime or K-drama? K-drama. Have you met Catherine Bernardo? Yes. Do you golf? Yes. Memory storage at masakit sa mata COD. For me, di naman ako nahilo when I was playing COD, but it's really the storage. How is she IRL? What do you mean? Oh, do you mean like how I look like in real life? Ito na yun, guys. Actually, curious din ako sa kung ano yung... si Kath! Sorry. Ang assuming ko din naman kasi, di ba? Super... Anong tawag doon? Mahinhin? Mahinhin. Guys, I'll end this in like 9 minutes. Do you have plans to enter politics? No. Can you cry on the spot? Feeling ko kaya ko, pero ayoko naman umiyak ngayon. Ang saya-saya ko, tapos paiiyakin mo ko. Wait, anong sabi ni Pog? Yeah. Nag-shoot na po ba for Bad Boys and Me? Yes po. Last year pa. Pero hindi pa nilalabas. Ine-edit pa ata. What do you mean nag-send ka pera sa account ko? I don't know what you're saying, but I like it. I want you yelling at me, lol. What do you mean? Are you not from the Philippines? I can't see eh. You look like Filipino naman ah. Ano po pinagkakaabalahan niyo sa ngayon? Wala. Do you use your own money when buying Lego? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. When we were in Japan, my parents bought for me. But the Eiffel Tower, I bought it with my own money. Ngayon ko lang ulit ikaw nakita. I know, right? Are you friends with Denzel? Denzel. Yes, I am. And yes, I'm fine. Thank you. Can you go live every day? Kakatamad naman. How many times a week do you work out? I haven't been working out actually. Tips on memorizing. Wait, but parang ang bilis bigla ng comments. Wait a minute. Tips on memorizing as a med student. Don't do it the night before. Favorite ulam, chicken or egg? Do you know if buying watches in Switzerland is cheaper compared to other parts of Europe? I feel like it's more expensive in Switzerland because Switzerland is such an expensive country to be in, honestly. I think you're fit sa cast ng AMNSE? What's AMNSE? AMNSE? Hobbies. I love binge watching TV shows. Bading ka po ba? Mukha ba akong bading? I'm not. I'm a real girl. Never in my life did I think I had to say that. But yeah. Are you planning to study abroad? I wanted to before, but sakto kasi pandemic eh, so I wasn't able to go out. Sayang naman if like nag-transfer pa ako. And nasimulan ko na dito, diba? So might as well finish it here na lang. Daily perfume, D&G Light Blue. Have you received my little Christmas present? Oh wait, I did. It's there on my table. With the keychain and the stickers, diba? Thank you, Francine. Ay, wait lang. Tama ba? Ikaw ba si Francine? No deo or no makeup for 1 month. Ano yung let go mo? No deo. I don't need deo. I rarely use deo. I only use deo when I know I'm gonna sweat. But that's to avoid sweating. Are you pure Chinese? I'm not even Chinese at all. Wait, guys. I can't. Slow down. Wait. I can't even find na kung saan ako nagbasa. Hala. Wait. I'm trying to answer everything. Can I go TikTok pag napabakasyon kayo sa Sydney? I wanna go Sydney po. Do you wanna go to Korea? I'm actually going for Holy Week. So at least there's that. Shout out kay Andoy. Hi, darling. Ang mutya ng Section E. It's a series ngayon sa Viva One. Oh. Stefan or Damon. Ah! Don't ask me that. But I think I'm gonna go with Damon. Pero grabe kasi si Stefan din. Swerte ni Elena. Diet before studying. I don't go on diets. Do you play instruments? Just the piano, but I haven't played the piano in like a long time, so I don't know kung kaya ko pa. Bias and Beanie. Mika. Gym fit. No, it's not. It's a top lang, but galing kasi ako sa labas kanina, then yun. Thoughts when you have an MU but then it's your prom and he's not from your school, so he can't come. Then guys, ano? Ba't parang naputal ka, te? Okay guys, wait. How tall are you? I'm like 5'4" or 5'5". Wala kang kasama. What do you mean wala akong kasama? Saan mo balak i-pursue med? Here in the Philippines. Guys, wait. I can't. Stefan is the only correct answer. Really ba? Where in Seoul do you wanna go? We're going in Myeongdong. Myeongdong-do. Nag-watch ka nung Dilaw concert nung Binyan Day? Hindi. Andito lang ata sa bahay nun. Any tips on enduring long-hour flights? Sleep. If you can't sleep, binge watch movies in the plane. Or eat. You can always ask for snacks. Anong feeling ng mayaman? I'm not mayaman. Klaus? I don't like Klaus. Joke lang. Basta si Damon for me. Ate, are you connected somehow kay Ron Yolante? Yes, he's my second cousin. Hi, I'm bored. Hi, I'm bored too. That's why I'm live. Hi, Achijella. Can you say good luck for me because it's our exam tomorrow? Girl, you should be studying right now. But good luck. Fighting. Are you going in Everland, Seoul? Seoul, Everland. I think so. I'm going with my cousins. Di ka pinipressure ng famo to join politics? No. Do you know how to speak Mandarin? No. Although I did have a Mandarin class when I was in high school. But all I remember is Ni Hao and Ni Hao Ma and Ni Jiao Shima Mingzi and Yi San. Can I ask for a photo with you when I get the chance to meet you? Of course. What's your pre-med? I took BS Life Sciences in Ateneo. Favorite ramen restaurant? Ichiran in Japan. But here in the Philippines, either Yushuken or Mendocoro. Really good, guys. Really good. Come to Melbourne. I want to. Have you tried yakiniku like? Oh my god, yes, I have in Hong Kong. It's the best. And I heard meron din here in the Philippines. So I'm gonna go try that out soon. Guys, what happened? Oh wait, never mind. It's the best. When are you gonna party again in Clubhouse or Yes Please? Tagal ko lang din nag-party, guys, eh. Pero usually I only party when friends invite or pag merong event or birthday or something. Streetwear or casual for men? Depends on the vibe. Na-try mo na ba extreme adventures? By extreme adventures, what do you mean? Like skydiving or surfing? Is surfing extreme? What's your type? You're my type. Charot lang. Actually, I don't know. I'm huge on personality. Yeah, I love extreme stuff. When I was in Switzerland, I went skydiving. It was the best ever. I thought you're ending at 10:50. Dude, I know, but I'm so freaking daldal. I'll end at 11. Mountain or beach? Beach. Exercise routine. I don't have one. Make it 11:30. My phone's gonna die eh. Are you Chinese? Not at all. Beach or city? I'm torn. Pero parang beach. May U-Up player bang nag-hit sa'yo? Before, when I was single, yeah. How many siblings do you have? 2. What's your ethnicity? I'm Filipino. What's PPL? Where did you study when you were in high school? Saints ko. 5th country you've ever been to? Switzerland. Or Japan. I love Japan. I would go back to Japan. Every chance I have. Or every chance I get. I'll go back to Japan again and again and again and again. And I love the food there, the people, the weather, everything. Summer or winter? Winter. Because guys, if you don't know, I actually have eczema. So, I'm allergic to the sun. That's why I do love the beach. But being under the sun, not so much. Your younger sibling ka-vibes ni Natalia. Natalia. Advice on how to have unshakable confidence. Stop comparing yourself to others. That's it. Yun lang yun. Stop comparing yourself to others and love yourself. Even if mahirap siya minsan, diba? Kasi nga kino-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba. Pero kapag di magka-compare mo yung sarili mo sa iba, kaya mo yan. Coffee or movie? Coffee and movie. What products do you use for eczema? The thing is, there's no cure for it. That's why ang hirap din to just... Like right now, I have here on my arm. I don't know if you guys notice it on my posts or my TikToks, but here, oh. Ay, putang ina. Ay, Hindi kita, guys, but basta I have like a white mark here. And that's cause of my, ayan, kita siya now. You know. That's my eczema. And then, if I get hot or if I feel hot or mapawisan ako or I stayed under the sun for too long, I get like rashes or allergies all over my body. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Hindi yun demure of me. Yeah. Actually, yeah, sun and heat. Kasi kahit na maligo lang ako ng warm water, yun, allergies, bugs. Actually, I posted a vlog about that. You can find it in my YouTube if you're curious to see how it looks like kapag naga-attack, pag naga-allergy attack ako. It's my, San Vicente Palawan vlog in my YouTube channel. Shout out, Deuce. Na-sunburn pa mo? No. Cheer dancer po kayo. When I was in high school, yeah. Where does Jello study? Taft. Share your Spotify playlist. Natamad ako. My iPad's there. But you can find me on Spotify. I think just search Gelato or Jella Alonte. I think you'll find me. Japan or France? Japan. Although France, kasi the nice thing with France is everywhere you look, it's super, what do you call this? Like, nakaka-photogenic siya. It's 11 p.m. Good night. I still have 1 more minute. Would you like to visit New Zealand someday? Yes. Did you study in Brent before? No. Japan or Italy? Italy. Japan talaga. Like, this is considering like overall Japan. Maybe because I'm more familiar of Japan than I am in Europe. My favorite song? I can't think right now kung anong favorite song ko. How many countries have you been to? First country I've ever been to was Hong Kong. And then Bangkok. You know what? In no specific order, let's just count. So, let's start in Asia. Hong Kong, Singapore, Japan, Korea, Hong Kong. Ano sabi ko? Hong Kong, Singapore, Japan, Korea, Bangkok, Bali. And then, besides Asia, let's go naman to Europe. So, we've been to France, Italy, Switzerland, Spain. That's 10. Spain. Rome. Oh wait, no, Rome is in Italy, bobo. Vatican. Vatican is its own country, right? Where else have I been? Germany. Oh wait, no, Belgium. Nakakabobo. Guys, hindi ako magaling sa geography. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Finland, no. Oh, it's a city? Shit, sorry. Ha. Nalimutan ko na kung nasan ako. And then, of course, US. In the US, I've been to Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Florida, San Francisco. I've also been to Guam. I've also been to Macau. Australia. Hindi na ako nakapagbilang, guys. Nabilang niyo ba? Hindi na ako nakapagbilang. Yeah, just check my highlights, actually. I haven't been to New York, but I'm going this summer before I go to med school. And yes, I'm going to Canada too before I go med school. This summer, my family and I plan to go to New York, Florida, and then Canada. I'm so excited because I've never been to New York and Canada. Where in Canada? Toronto? I think so. Probably. Because I have relatives there ata eh. What year ka nagpunta ng Hong Kong? Like yung pinaka-latest ko? I went to... Where? Walang check kanini. Where? Saan, bestie? Ito? It's probably my allergy. My first ever Hong Kong, girl, I was like 5 years old. I don't remember actually, but I was young pa. It's good ba in Korea? Yes, it's good naman, but I still prefer Japan. The only reason I like being in Korea is because I feel like I'm so close to my idols. What time are you ending ba talaga? Whenever I feel like it. Why? What's wrong? Did you go to Hong Kong with special someone? No. You said 11 paasa. How is that being paasa? I think I've been to Melbourne. Diba that's in Australia? I was born 2002. Then go sleep. Nobody's stopping you. Bruh. Do you watch anime? I've watched some anime films, but pinaka-latest I've watched is Attack on Titan. Ayan, ang gulo na tuloy ng buhok ko kasi bun pa more. Any bad or scary experience when you were traveling? Oh my god, when I was in Japan, you know how in Japan, uso yung mga stalker? Buti na lang I was with my family, like with my cousins. So, umalis naman din siya eventually. But, it's just creepy. Like, imagine if I was walking alone. What would have happened? Like, I don't know. I know, like, Japan has the nicest people and everything, but, I mean, come on. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end na talaga. I'm getting sleepy. Good night. I said 11:30 ba? Have you ever traveled alone? We have detected inactivity? What does that mean? What do you call this? traveled alone. No, I've never like traveled alone, but I flew alone na. I've flown alone. I flew to the US alone one time to meet up with my boyfriend. Yeah, guys, I think I want to build my lighting. I think I want to build tonight, so I'm gonna end this now. Tie my hair. It was literally tied earlier. I'm not gonna tie it again because it gets so messy. Earrings from, I don't know, my grandma bought it for me. It has matching ring. Oh. How do I show? There. Cute. Yeah, I might just go live again tomorrow. Who knows? But I'm gonna end this now, guys. Bye. Good night. Sleep well. Thank you for joining me in my live. Okay, bye. You may get... What? Okay, guys, sorry. Thank you for watching.